Hey yo people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got the latest Aviator Predictor tool absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software, guys. It's only currently working online, Aviator Predictor, so now we will test it. Does it actually work? So we will test a few flights and then we will see is it actually legit. So guys, after this, let's see. So when you see this loading, let me show you this loading bar. You just click predict and it will start predicting our crash. So guys, it should crash now at 6.80x. So let's see, it should go up to 6.80x. So let's see guys, and let's wait, let's hope that it's actually working. So 4, nice, 5, okay, 6.80x, guys, it works amazing. So when you see this loading, just click once again and it should predict our next crash. So guys, there we go, 1.04x. So yeah guys, that's pretty much working. So I will show you now how you can get this Aviator Predictor tool online so you can make a lot of money. So guys, for start, go on this button, start predictor. By the way, website is called aviator.com.im. So just click start predictor and there we will have to enter our URL where we play our Aviator. So I will enter my website, it's currently 1xbet.com. Click continue guys and it should search for our website. It will connect the API. As you can see, you should find this and you should get this message found. So guys, now we will have to enter our username in order to find our session. Mine is downtown99s. That's my username on 1xbet and I will click connect. So it will start connection and third step will load up, as you can see. So API will start connecting as well, guys. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials because I'll record it more. So yeah, there we go. So guys, now we will have this few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and we should get up to this. There we go, bot check successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Enjoy Aviator Predictor online tool. Guys, it worked amazing. So if you get redirected to manual bot check, don't worry because I had it also. So everything you will have to do here is to do 2 simple tasks. Just complete 2 tasks from that list and you will get redirected to this page and you will get bot check successful. Guys, we're connected API, our user account connected and our session is live. So yeah, CloudStack Aviator Predictor, aviator.com.im is working amazing and it's only currently legit website where you can get all these amazing predictions for your crash on Aviator games. So guys, I made a lot of money with this, so you can also. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.